So, over improving a dated house, if you don't have an expert to rely on to really know what buyers will pay for and what they won't pay for, then you're going to be focusing on updates that you see on HGTV and Joanna and Chip Gaines and all of the wonderful fix and flip shows. And those are wonderful ideas. But again, those are renovations. It's not just remodeling. It's a bigger project. You're ripping out and then reassembling and installing on those kinds of projects. What we find will get your high ROI is if you work with the structure that's currently in place, and then if you enhance that. But if you're untrained, you might go down the road of redoing a kitchen, and that could be very costly.